already there in your book, in the notes I sent. Why this all mess is to make you understand its importance. Kids, now I know your age is such that you can learn things on your own. But what's the role of a teacher? When everything is available, you yourself, your friends have made PPTs and you have given such nice things, which probably certain points I might have skipped during my explanation. But why a lecture? Simple PPT presentation is lecturing, okay? It's lecturing or making you acquaint to the topic. Now, what I'm doing right now is teaching the subject. Means explaining a concept in such a way that you understand and able to reproduce or present it in your exams or applications when it is required. In a way, it has to be. So all your study in the college, in our engineering college, is what? Is actually learning the methods to learn. I've told you this many a times. That means you can do everything. If you just go out once, everything is available in net. Okay, notes are available, PPTs are available, audio visuals are available, everything is available. Then why come to college? Come to college is a larger aspect. It's entire aspect of your learning. Why? Because after sitting at home now for so many long months, teacher keeps on explaining, you're making all your efforts seriously to understand what the teacher tells. There was a time I used to drag students. I would turn to the wall and say, I'm explaining like this, as if if I was very serious that they are not interacting with me. I would just turn to the wall and say, it's as if teaching to the wall there. There's no difference between you and that wall. But that's what I'm doing right now. It's as if I'm just looking at the whiteboard or blackboard and keep on explaining with absolutely zero interaction with all of you. Times will change, kids. Probably what you're passing through, uh, uh, you can say no one probably has uh, experienced till date. Okay, so things keep changing. It's all happening. Okay, how we adapt best to the conditions is important. Okay, so is the discussion why certain topics like this, composites or green chemistry, or something to be understood by you is you know it. It's only how you present it that is important. Okay, so is the discussion. Now, what are these advantages? I've told you. That's it. Well, you know it. What are the advantages? They have revolutionized, composites have revolutionized the material sciences. So, what is the main advantage? When you start writing about the advantages of composite materials, what's the first point you can write? Composites revolutionized the properties of materials. That's the first point anybody can just put it. Okay, that means whatever you want, it is tailor made. Okay, oh, when the goggles was first found, Bosch was the company some in early 1900s. These helicopters and aeroplanes have come into the existence, and when they used to fly a little high, what will happen? Obviously, the sun radiations used to be so strong that it used to burn away the skin, and the visibility, obviously, baga light kalalo padte emotundi, you can't see it clear. So the visibility of the pilots used to be disturbed. Bosch was the company to first invent those goggles, colored goggles, so that the uh, um, ambience is visible, the arena is visible, but the light does not hit straight into the eyes. So it's the first company to develop those goggles. Now that got diversified to the extent that obviously any problems with your eyesight and all, one LASIK operation, your eyesight is as if it is gone. No matter how fat glasses you need to wear otherwise. Okay. So is the biological application of this composite materials. The eye lenses were whatever we are using made up of polycarbonate, and this polycarbonates are generally used. Okay, and hence is the discussion. Silicone based composites they are made. Okay, our teeth, dentures and all. Okay, the heart valves. Heart valves are nowadays the everyone say heart valves are being, angioplasty is being done. Any old person in the house, you'll say blocks in the heart. uh, there are always heart problems. For young people it is heart problem on crushes, and for old people it is heart problem with blocks. Okay, so entire family suffers from heart problems. Okay, and everything is dangerous unless until you properly handle it. So how heart problems are handled? By doing those angioplasty. That means they'll say they have put stents. So what their stunts made up of? Again, composite materials, very very benign, silicon based, aluminum based composite materials are being put into the heart valves to remove the blocks, so that the push of the blood will not allow blocks to develop. That means they little widen the wall so that the flow of blood is again maintained. This is the application. Right from the biological ones to just I have told you, commercial applications. Today world is dictated by composite materials. Wood replaced by all these laminar and sandwiched composite materials. Okay, fireproof, termite proof, and waterproof materials. Everything, the body of all the commercial applications and engineering applications are all composite materials. Okay, so why? Why? Because excellent blend of properties. Excellent blend of properties. Why? I'll go get back to my definition. What the definition speaks? The definition tells the matrix phase is retaining its identity. It will not change its properties at all. Whereas the dispersed phase also does not change its properties. But both are combined in such a way that the net result is seen in that fabrication. Okay, so is composite. Okay, so that means they are like double swords. Each will retain their own identity, but they coexist. That's the idea of the composite materials. Excellent blend of properties is the next terminology. Okay, and very advanced customer or tailor made applications. Ante what are tailor made applications? Just like the way you want to choose one shirt exactly to your size, exactly to the need of the time, the tailor made applications are made. You want lightweight, still strong, you have the composites. You want heavyweight, okay, they are there. Okay, you want different shapes, they are there. Just like that, composites have all tailor made applications. Okay, apart from that, they are cost effective. Most of the times they are cost effective. Okay, they are cost effective, and fabrication is easy, aesthetic, and I'd say can be designed, and hence are the advantages of composites. Many are there. I want to minimize till this point. Okay, so what are the applications? bodies of uh, vehicles, right from aerospace technologies, space technologies, or the automobile industry, are all composite materials. Bodies of various electronic gadgets like TVs, fridges, washing machines, etc., are all composite materials. Okay. Um, then in chemical industry and pharma industry, okay, they want the composite materials which are corrosion resistant, okay, um, and thermal and electrical resistant composite materials are made. Okay, just now I've told you the bulletproof jacket materials, they can be used right from costumes to the aramid fibers. Kevlars are the materials that are being used for bulletproof jackets, right from wearing the bulletproof jacket on the body, okay, to the bulletproof screens that are used for the vehicles, okay, are all made up of composite materials, mainly consisting of Kevlar reinforced uh, composites, okay, and hence are the applications. That concludes kids the composites topic. Okay, now the next heading is ease. Now, will someone present, or shall I just once go through the 12 principles of green chemistry? చెప్తారా? ముగ్గురు ఉన్నారు, మీరు చెప్పేస్తారేమో అనుకుంటున్నా. గ్రీన్ కెమిస్ట్రీకి గ్రీన్ లేదు. Okay. The next heading is green chemistry. Okay, that's the heading. So, so what to do now? What's your suggestion? Last half an hour or 15 minutes. What is your suggestion? Will you present kids, or you want me to babble so that syllabus is over from tomorrow onwards? You'd say there's no chemistry class. Done. Okay. Then probably when the offline classes would start, um, you will all come up once again to the college. I think once or twice you have come to the college, and again there was lockdown. So, so is the discussion. So, you want me to read it out? The 12 principles of green chemistry. Okay. Switch off the fan, and again the discussion is. So, what is green chemistry? It is that aspect of chemistry which talks about the design, manufacture, and application of chemical products that consume minimum amount of materials and energy and produce less or no waste, and hence eliminates the hazards of environment. Okay, that's the definition of green chemistry. Definition: it is the part of chemistry that deals with the design, manufacture, with the design, manufacturing, design, manufacturing, and applications design, manufacturing, and applications of chemical reagents of chemical reagents made into products made into products chemical reagents made into products consuming consuming minimum consuming minimum amount of materials, power, or I'd say energy. Power or energy. This is also not writing. Power or energy while while producing minimum or negligible while producing minimum or negligible byproducts 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 which are hazardous to environment which are hazardous to environment. Okay, that's the introduction to this green chemistry topic. There, I'm trying to talk about the reagents, that is the starting materials, the products, the chemicals that are used while manufacturing of various chemical compounds. Now, whenever you're talking about seeing about the EVS and all, the main polluting air pollution, water pollution, any pollution, it is all it'll fall back to the concepts of chemistry again. That means I've already introduced this all to you. I think we have discussed it already. And your friends have excellently presented the concepts of green chemistry, taking all beautiful examples and slides. I think that itself is complete. But let me tell you very clearly, okay, the various environmental protection acts that were brought into the Indian constitution are all after the disasters, like the way the chipco movements and all, okay, that which are promoting the afforestation, aiming at the carbon neutrality, are all the activities that are taken up by this environmental protecting people. Okay, in fact, after the Bhopal gas tragedy, okay, the Indian government took very serious action about the conservation of environment. Till that time in our country, the rules were there but not very effective. Today, people like you are the main campaigners of pollution inhibition of water or landfills, particularly due to polymeric lightweight polymers, okay, polyethylene mainly, okay, which is actually causing huge disasters. The landfills you take or the sea water or oceanic water or the drinking waters, everything is contaminated because of the polymeric materials that are being ruthlessly made, used, and thrown like that. Okay, probably a few of or very few of you or no one of you might have gone to the Himalayan places. You might be knowing about Vamshi sir, who has presented the audio visuals of fuels. Okay, he was like going on a. It's a common thing to take a bike ride or car drive in those Himalaya ranges, the Karakoram Pass and all, the lower Himalayas. Okay, there he was saying, ice has turned little brown because of the pollution. The white ice is not no more there. Okay, you'll be surprised. That's the state of affairs of our country with respect to pollution. Even Taj Mahal is getting affected due to huge pollution that is coming out of the industry around that Delhi and Haryana and all. That's a problem for us. Okay, so should be the awareness. So for that, uh, 12 principles have been uh, uh, hello, are you able to listen to me, hear me? Okay, so what the green chemistry aims at? Reducing environmental pollution, reducing energy consumption, reducing the wastage, reducing the risk, reducing the materials and the cost. Okay, that's what the green chemistry all targets. Okay, and of course, what are the 12 principles of green chemistry? Prevention of pollution. Okay, that means in the following way. Okay, atom economy, improved processes, minimize uh, the consumption of materials, okay, and energy, and minimize the byproducts. And environment friendly compounds and processes have to be used in such a way that prevention should always be taken given importance than curing. Okay, next, usage of less hazardous chemicals during the synthesis, prevent of wastage or byproducts, real-time analysis for pollution prevention, and reducing the derivatives. Okay, design of safer chemicals and degradable products, usage of substances and methods which are safe and better. Catalysis takes a lot of importance, and it is one of the main application of green chemistry. Technology design so that the pollution and accidents can be minimized. Okay, so how to remember the 12 principles of green chemistry? Aim environment friendly, less hazardous products. I'll write this. That's how you can remember the 12 principles of green chemistry. Okay, how to remember the 12 principles of green chemistry? Okay, 12 principles of green chemistry can be written like this. 12 principles of green chemistry can be written like this. Aim, aim, environmental, aim, environment friendly, aim environment friendly, less hazardous, less hazardous, aim environment friendly, less hazardous product. That's how you can remember. This is principle 1, atom economy. 2, 3. This is the fourth one. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you can remember the 12 principles of green chemistry. Atom economy, improved process, minimize wastage, uh, byproducts, and energy, materials, okay, maintain, minimize. E is environment friendly. I've written that. Okay. L stands for less hazardous. Okay. Fifth one is less hazardous usage, chemical synthesis, and usage of the reagents. Okay. P stands for prevent waste. R stands for real time analysis for pollution prevention. Okay. O stands for omit or reduce derivatives. Okay. Omit or reduce derivatives. Next, D stands for designing safer chemicals and degradable products. U stands for usage of safer substances and methods. C stands for catalysis. Okay. And T stands for technology. That's how you can remember the 12 principles of green chemistry. Okay. So when the discussion is about atom economy, this is a generally asked question. Atom economy. Uh, Best examples is Diels-Alder reaction. That means the efficiency of the reaction should be such that the total amount of reagents that are used as reactants should be converted into products, and there should not be any byproducts formed during the process. Just like addition polymerization reaction, there is no question of byproduct formation. All the reactants are converted into products. Okay. Unlike the condensation process, there is always the reaction of functional groups resulting in the formation of products. Okay. Where the atom efficiency is not 100%. When the atom efficiency will be 100%, then all the reagents are converted into products. Best example, addition polymerization. The other best example is Diels-Alder reaction. What is Diels-Alder reaction? Reaction of a diene with a dienophile to form the product. Okay. So atom efficiency or atom economy is mass of the products to the total mass of the reactants into 100. Okay. That is best explained by Diels-Alder reaction, addition polymerization, and making of methacrylate industrially by addition polymerization process. These are the examples for 100% atom economy. Okay, there are many examples which of course can be given for catalysis. What is a catalyst? It is a substance that is used to alter the rate of reaction. It can be positive catalysis or it can be negative catalysis. Like palladium is used along with carbon for reducing the hydrogenation process, random hydrogenation to be avoided. But generally, any reaction is catalyzed so that the reaction time is minimized. Okay, and hence is the discussion. So I would like to conclude now. That's it. So any examples you can discuss? Anything else you want to discuss on in green chemistry? The students, those who have presented, can you give me one or two more examples? Hmm? You don't want to open your mouth today? Come on, kids, it's the last class. It's over now. Answer, at least those who have given the presentations can tell me one or two examples. Right now, I've not really studied those things. Remember that, okay? But this is the whole concept of green chemistry. Generally, they'll ask us to write two or three um, green principles of green chemistry, 4 or 5 for 2 marks. Okay, just you can write atom economy like that. Catalysis are all the principles of green chemistry, but they are asking for 4 marks. Then you need to take each one, and you need to write about it. Right, the atom, like the atom economy is the first thing you should compulsorily opt to write when it is for 4 marks question. You need to elaborate. 4 principles if you give, they'll give you 1 mark. You need to elaborate. Okay, then you can say less hazardous chemicals usage. Okay, you can elaborate on that. Okay, that's how you can discuss about green chemistry. Okay, then, so shall I call it up that this concludes the syllabus, okay, for of chemistry for this semester. Any doubts tomorrow and day after, you can just put a WhatsApp message. I'm available for you to solve the queries, any doubts you have. First, we'll concentrate on the midterm syllabus, but we shall revise the entire syllabus. Most of you have made nice PPTs, so I want to play it for revision purpose. Okay, but right now focus on the numericals part and the essay questions. 2 marks you can answer very easily. It's not a deal for you at all. Okay, I've told you the important essay questions in fuels topic and the water chemistry corrosion topics. Okay, you can do it very confidently, very easy. I know how it is to write an internal exam from your home. Okay, many of you many of your friends who are not there in the class have mastered that. That's the reason why they don't bother to attend the class at all. No problem. They're enjoying their time. Anyways,
Ma'am,
yes.
presentation class will be there tomorrow, ma'am.
Huh?
Remaining students want to give presentation, ma'am.
They want to give presentation. Repa,
Yes, ma'am. Maybe I am thinking tomorrow or after completion of mid exam, ma'am.
మీ ఇష్టం చూడమ్మా. నేనైతే ఏం సజెస్ట్ చేస్తానంటే, if a presentation class, if you give on corrosion, it is revision. Okay, if a presentation class on environmental this green chemistry, it is revision. Okay, many will attend. If not, I will attend, that is for sure. That's what I wanted to say. Actually, I could not convert my ideas into actions. Like the presentations, the beautiful PPTs your friends have uploaded. Okay, I wanted to show it in such a way, just like the play the PPTs in such a way that what all I was talking is seen like beautiful pictorial presentations. What you have sent as PPTs to me. Even corrosion topic, I felt tomorrow and day after I can just play it so that once the whole syllabus is completed, seeing those PPTs. But then now I'm not very keen about it because my colleagues told me that kids are very busy with all the subjects, so don't take up such an activity right now. So I said, okay, fine. That is the thing. If you're strained, then I have no point that I push my wish on your head. So I kept myself. If not, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to show the videos, PPTs which your friends have made. and I've just uploaded me once. Just played for 5 minutes before I start the class was my idea. Okay, and what all corrosion and all videos which you have sent me, I wanted to play today or tomorrow so that it becomes revision. But nothing has materialized. So it is all up to you. I'll not cut the marks right now. But then it should be soon after your mid. Or tomorrow also, today evening also I'm free. Your 1 hour time is, if you just tell me 1 hour before, it's fine. Tomorrow morning till afternoon, I'm not very free. Later we can go ahead. Just tell me the time. I'll tell. Anytime I'm available. It's up to you. Okay. Coordinate, Neeraj and Usha. We'll check. Anything else you want me to tell right now? Anyways, one main thing I should tell is good luck. All the best to every one of you. Hope you enjoy your time at college. Hope you come to college, enjoy that beautiful time you spend on the campus learning things. Okay, learning is the most beautiful thing which always keeps you young and happy. That's for sure. Okay, so with me, fine, and hope you go out of the college with all flying colors. Okay, one point I want to tell. See, it's the whole set of friends you make and how you spend your time that is most important. Whether you learn the subject or you participate in co-curricular activities like your presentations, IEEE, IETE, whatever the student platforms are there, uh, uh, or state cause or whatever extracurricular activities, NSS and NCC and all, whatever you are doing, participating, enjoy. Please learn that habit of enjoying everything. It is all learning. Okay. But in the process, I'd suggest do not neglect learning your subject. That's also very, very important. Okay. uh, Everyone bunking the class and going to film is an enjoyment. Everyone sitting in the class and learning is also an important and interesting thing. Okay, I was surprised when students would say that my friend explained me this concept, what you taught me yesterday, and I understood clearly. I used to feel really hurt. What is this? I am the expert out here explaining, taking so much pain to make you understand the subject. How come that boy with half knowledge has explained and this fellow has understood? But that's a wrong thing. It's only a jealous factor that I nurse probably. Group discussions, okay, really fetch you lot of ideas. Okay, do not keep any hesitation that if I explain this concept to someone, they will get more marks. Okay, what you should realize is that marks alone does not fetch you the requirements of the market today. Okay, along with marks, there are many things that are very important. But without marks, if you have all the other things, it is waste. Okay, so please learn that method to balance things. Okay, that's what I think I told you, all of you, that learn singing, dancing. Okay, car driving, bike driving, or whatever the things you want, fitness, everything. Okay, but learn, learn. It'll help you how to learn, how to improvise yourself, and you should compare always yourself with yourself. Don't compare yourself with anyone. It should neither give you happiness nor sorrow. Okay, it should always bring lot of confidence. Okay, and temperament to learn. Okay, passion towards your subject always really helps you make things very happy. Okay, so enjoy your time. Okay, on the campus and off the campus. Okay, and I hope you all would study very nicely. Okay, and improve yourself very, very much. Okay, good day, and just tell me, this concludes the syllabus, and anything you can just ask regarding subject or any query, just come up. I am available. Okay, good day, bye. Because it's a holiday today, I'm not taking the attendance. I think yesterday's class was the last attendance of your class. Okay, good luck to all of you. Bye.